Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The first part we are going to use is we go to ChatGPT and we upload the file, which is the file I gave you. Start again, maybe. But that's fine. So just upload your file here, which is the file I gave you for the project, and ask here for the questions. I'm going to say what are the questions here. Yeah, I'm going to say first question is you put this, which is the peer review subsystem. You put the file here. Draw the tables including their attributes along with the relationships for the peer review subsystem. I put some rules here, which is sometimes you draw the many as arrow. I said no, draw it as in classic way, as many. Show me the primary key and foreign key and all this stuff. يعني تصرف بالطريقة. You can do whatever. I can show you what's there. So you can move it over. So I have project here, and in the project I have some instructions here. Like use class 1 and many. Classic. One and many. Okay. Classic. One and many. Not an arrow, because sometimes use arrow. Our implementation platform is MIS Access. Tables must show the primary key and four keys. At least one field column must be specified as well as the primary key. You put these rules if you want, and instruction will ChatGPT to know what you want. So I have in my version here, I can set it up as instruction for all of them. And I loaded all the files here. I loaded the files for all the projects, all your subsystems here. But for you, you need just to load the subsystem here. Generally, let me start again. So this instruction, you put the instruction and create a table here, which is our query. Click into this. So you can say consider the following notes, and you put the notes here, which is the notes. And you can load the file here. Take the key, load it here. Load the file. You can say now. You can say simply show me or list all the file, all the tables and relationships for the attached peer review subsystem. Say okay, go ahead. It will list it to me. It should list it to me. These are listed here. As you see here, there's the list of the tables. These are the tables. It's mentioned in the document anyway. And these are the relationships. And here is this match exactly what we have here. So I want to create them now. And these are the tables. As you see here, this will need the external faculty, so we need the faculty here. But here, say primary key and use foreign key, faculty here, or some materials there. Now I'm going to say create the tables will write to me something like the query here. So there we go. This is the table. Okay, so tables here. And extends relationship to them. Okay. So I'm going to copy this and go to create a new MS access table. This over to here. I'm going to put it here. Create. I'll put it in here. It's already I have one here, so I'm going to have the same one, but I have to number two. Number two, because I told you previously. Okay. That's it. Create. This will create to me a table here. I don't need the table, that's that one. So the table. Then I go to smaller to see. I can do it. I go to this, which is the query. I click you cannot delete the it is in open this. Now I'm going to create here, create query. Create query, which is simple query as design here. Query. And in the query. Oops. I'm going direct to the SQL. The SQL, I'm going to paste what is there. Unfortunately, you can't run it all together at the same time. So I'm going to get all these, cut them, with one by one. Control X. Okay, I have only one table. Then I can go to the design and define. This create a new packet. I go back, delete this, Control D. I need the next one, which is this one. Get these all. See how simple. Get these all to the end, Control X. Then I ended up with one here. I think it is arranged with the relationship as normal, so it's constraint primary key, faculty, and regular foreign. Here should the particular ID as the same. Create. So go to design and run. Create it to me this one. Now delete this. Put the rest. Get the next. Then we go again, delete, Control V, and so on. Second, design one, and delete, Control V, X. And the last one is so time. You can see the packet, for instance. The packet key, the design mode. The design mode. Design mode. This is the auto number, and this is the name. So no, and 50, so now let me close this one. I want now what next? I want to see what the relationship is there. So we look here, here, and see the relationship. There's the relationship. See how you see? That's all the relationship between them. We can rearrange it. Yeah, you can arrange it to have it nice, because they are all connected. Whatever it's only connected with one, put it here. Just like this here. So I can make it bigger because I want to show you. That's what I want to have it. Because if I make it bigger, we can have more space. Let's see. That's what I'm doing. Yeah, you can arrange it anyway. Even if you don't arrange it, it's fine. But what we notice here, we have faculty here and faculty 1. That means 2 faculty here. One for here as reviewer ID in the peer review. The reviewer, who's the reviewer? Faculty. And the faculty is the faculty. So you have a faculty reviewed by another faculty. Reviewed here, reviewer ID. The reviewer ID here is the faculty ID. And faculty review faculty. I want to investigate to find how this works. It's possible to have it like that. A faculty who is going to review another, who is going to visit the class of another faculty. A faculty, an instructor visit another instructor to have the. Okay. So I want you to understand this, what's going on. Where we get these, we get them all from the commands we use. Now, so this is the next step is to enter data. I want to enter data in all of them. Of course, anyone related has to be entered first. So if it's faculty here, it has to be related with this, and you cannot create peer review unless the faculty exists. If you double click here, see? Here, enforce referentiality. Before we have referentiality enforced here. So don't allow you to create peer review and while you don't have faculty. All this will be done to you. I'm going to stop here and create another video. Stop.